Do you get stressed, overwhelmed, jittery, or even anxious at times? Or maybe you just want to take those few minutes to really calm down and relax? Well, then you're in the right place. I'm going to lead you through some very, very simple moves that allow us to focus on our body sensations and to notice our thoughts and feelings while we go through this sequence. And this actually helps us apply that to our everyday lives while we move through our everyday tasks, so we can really reset our nervous system and relax and calm down at any given moment in time. I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counselor and dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia. And I've also got a free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video. It helps you track those body sensations, thoughts, and feelings that you notice while we go through this movement sequence. It helps you just jot them down, either writing them down or coloring or even sketching them on a piece of paper, and that's free for you to download. I've also got a few book recommendations in there on the body-mind connection, on what stress does to your body, on the movement patterns that we're using in this sequence, and also some lovely recipe books. So you're welcome to have a look. I always urge you to please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professional if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle. So let's get right into it. As always, let's start with taking a deep breath in, and we're just keeping a wider stance today because we're combining our breath with the core distal pattern that I'm teaching in a different video. And so this is just focusing on the core and how the movement that we're doing initiates from the core into our limbs. So let's take a deep belly breath in. Feel your belly expand. Welcome to close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. And we're taking our arms up, and we're going to take a longer exhale. Keep your knees and shoulders soft. Let's go deeper in our knees on the inhale and take our arms up. Shoulders up, stretching your belly, feeling how that movement initiates from the core, and notice your body sensations. I'm already feeling something crack in my spine. Deep breath in, and now I'm going to show this from the side. We're going to just do a very simple cat-cow from yoga. So you're welcome to leave your hands on your hips, and we're just taking our tailbone to the back and our head on the top of the spine to the back, and then curling them back in. And breathing in and breathing out. Again, and noticing your body sensations, any tingling, any thoughts, any feelings, any heat that arises, any tension. Notice where the tension might sit. Let's do one more. And turning back to the center. Now we're going to just use our upper body. So we're separating upper body from lower body and seeing how the other half responds to that. And this is actually quite a fun move I found in another video that I really love. And it's kind of like an arm swing, and it's a bit dynamic. So we're going to take, keeping the rest of our body still, we're just going to open our shoulders there. It automatically opens our chest and our shoulders. Again, notice what happens. Which parts of your body are feeling stretched? Is there any tension that releases? Any thoughts and feelings that come up? And let's just keep doing that for a little while longer. Really getting into it and letting loose. Really not worrying about the rest of your body too much. Keeping soft in your knees. Notice what your neck is doing. Is it getting all tense as a result? Just noticing any of those things. There's nothing that you need to feel. There's nothing particular that should come out of this. Just notice where you're at today at any given moment in time. Okay, and let's just let this come to a close. I can actually feel my elbow clicking a little bit. All right, and this was our upper body half. Now we're going to go into a lower body half, and just really we can take a wider stance here, and keeping your hands on your hips, and just a little plie, a little squat, but you don't have to go too far. It's just really a gentle one. Of course, it activates some of your muscles. Keeping your upper body still, just noticing any tension. I can feel my butt working on the up movement. I can feel the lower part of my legs working, the upper one as well, the thighs. And just notice, is any tension releasing, or are you noting any tension that's been there? Just noting that down, and again, you could note that on the free reflection tool as well. And let's do one more. And let this come to a close. Now we're going to do a swing from one side to the body, and it's actually using this arm and this leg, and then this arm and this leg. So it's our homolateral pattern, which means that just one side of the body is moving and then the other one. And it goes like this. You can just swing. That's it. You can see that the other arm sort of swings along, but sort of the active part is always the front arm. And there is a bit of a swing, as in a twist there as well in the torso, which is actually feels quite lovely to me, just that stretch that comes on the side of the body. Let's just do that a couple more times, really letting loose here. And let it come to a close. Very nice. We've got one more pattern to go, and that's our cross-lateral pattern. And we might make this a little bit of a balance exercise. So we're going to go and touch just the opposite side of our knee. And the important part of this pattern is really to move through our core, as in to be very aware of our core and how this movement connects through our core. So through our core. On a very subtle level, but this is really about being aware of our core in any of the movements that we do here, because our core always supports us. So if you feel like your core supports you, you feel supported by yourself, by your own efforts. This is the body-mind connection. If you feel it in your body, you feel it in your mind. If you think it in your mind, you feel it in your body. All right, let's do one more. And let's relax. Now, these were the 6 patterns that we call the Bartenieff fundamentals. So there's a book linked below as well about that. And it is the 6 patterns that babies go through as they grow and as their brain develops. So for us to go through these patterns consciously helps us reset our brain, helps us calm down as we mindfully move through these patterns, and it also resets our body. So notice how you're feeling now. Any different, any more relaxed? You can put it on repeat or do it for as long as you like. And we're going to finish off just with a couple of deep breaths and just going into a slightly wider stance into your knees and Deep breath in, stretch your belly, take your shoulders up, and long exhale. That will help us enter a parasympathetic nervous system state always. That's what the longer exhale does. Let me know how you found this exercise. I would love to get any feedback in the comments or any special requests or any questions. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.